In the fast-paced world of finance, we need to stay sharp and on top of our game. That's where Fresh FP&A comes in. I'm excited to announce our new store offering merchandise specifically designed for finance professionals, ranging from stylish apparel to useful accessories. Whether you're a seasoned CFO or just starting off in finance and FP&A, Fresh FP&A has everything you need to look and feel your best, so you can focus on what really matters, your work and impact. And if you're looking for more than just merchandise, Fresh FP&A has you covered there too. We offer a wide range of resources to help finance professionals stay on top of the latest trends and industry best practices. So whether you're looking to upgrade your wardrobe, improve your skills, or just connect with like-minded finance professionals, Fresh FP&A is your one-stop shop for all of your needs. Visit our store at www.freshfpna.com. Click on the store icon in the upper right, or click on the link in the comments below to be directed right to the store. Also, use the promo code FRESH10 to save 10% off of your first order. Visit our store today and see what we have to offer. Stay fresh.